Good afternoon, my name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at Fort Myers MarineMax. Today I'm going to show you an absolutely beautiful new brand of boats that we've had for about a year and a half now. It's called Aviara. It's a standalone brand. Mastercraft is a parent company, so they've been around for many years. It's an incredibly highly customizable luxury cruising boat. Now this particular boat, they did something a little special here. They went with the new black upholstery, if you notice. Maybe not for everybody in the summertime, but it looks amazing. It's super clean. It's super sophisticated looking. And I think these folks are really going to appreciate this boat when they see it. As you walk around the cockpit area, you see very large seating environment. The back sunshade has 3 individual shades, or excuse me, sun lounges, if you will, that you can actually pop up the backrest and sit there and hang out on the back at the beach. Also, all 3 of these have what they call bar stool seating, so you can sit up here, or you can sit next to it and lean against it, or you can lower just a little bit and lean against it as a backrest. Whatever you'd like to do, you have the opportunity to. What you probably can't tell is there is a hidden articulating sunshade in this hardtop that comes out and goes over the entire back of the boat. So I would have no question, no doubt whatsoever that the folks with this boat are going to be using that a lot. As you're on this side here, you have your Gourmet Galley set up. Now you can do several things here. Underneath these 2 lids, you can either put grills, 1 grill, 2 grill, no grills, or you can put 1 refrigerator, no refrigerator, storage, whatever you'd like. On this particular boat, they have storage up here with a refrigerator below it. And then on this side, they have the Kenyan grill with storage underneath it. So you have very good options here for a galley. And then over here on the side, kind of hidden underneath this big, large top, is a sink with dedicated wine bottle storage or liquor bottle storage, whatever you choose. So yeah, these 2 features are really nice over here. At the front with the Helm Seat, it's a double seat Helm Seat. So you can have the captain and a companion sitting out here. And there's also a little hidden footstep there if you want to get stand up a little taller in the boat to see over the bow if you had maybe some challenges looking over the bow. And you'll notice a very sleek aircraft style dash here. Everything is always recessed into the boat. You have your Simrad vessel view over there for your motors, for your Mercury motors, and your large Garmin here. And then this is your master command center for all the functions of the boat. Electrics, lighting, sound, everything you want. And of course, over on the side, you see the throttle controls with your trim controls and your joystick control as well. Over on the other side of the boat, you have a dedicated single companion seat, so somebody can sit here face forward as well. And as you walk your way to the front of the boat through the port side walkway, you can see the sides are very high, so it's very safe, easy to navigate underway, so you don't have to worry about people falling over or getting bumped around. And then you have an incredibly large bow seating area here. This, if you notice the sides, it's kind of hard to tell by video, but you can tell these sides are very high, and they're about a little over waist high on me, and I'm 6'2". So, and of course in the bow you have a dedicated anchor storage as well. As you work your way back to the back again, in the large asymmetrical console area, that's where they hide the big cabin. So down below, you'll see lots of seating that can be converted into sleeping lounges, as well as a dedicated private head compartment. So this area can be air conditioned as well, back down in there. If you want to have AC, you're going to have a generator. And they're now offering this boat with the Seatkeeper gyroscopic Seatkeeper stabilizers. So that's going to be an amazing additional feature to this boat. Being a luxury brand, a luxury boat, more than likely most people are probably going to have the Seatkeeper on these boats. One last thing we probably forgot to show you, which is ever important on a boat, is a dedicated cooler storage area. So this boat is set up for all kinds of entertaining throughout the day. Bring friends, bring family, bring a lot of whoever you know. And give me a call. My name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at Fort Myers MarineMax, 239-229-8862.